good morning, children. Now let us start with the 10th chapter. 9th chapter I will explain afterwards. We use small exercise. We have only two exercises. The first exercise, that is called gradient question. We have only second exercise. Alright? The chapter name is Operation Research. The Operation Research means, the meaning is actually the group of discussion. We are talking about particular case, group of discussion, that is called Operation Research. In the Operation Research, network analysis, the first unit. This is a concept of network analysis. In network analysis, the page number 247, 245, 244, 245, some of the definitions are activities, event, procedure, successor, pathway, these are given. Just go through the book, small concept. Now by using this idea, I will do one problem, exercise problem. In exercise we have 10 problems. Exam some of the problems are there. We have only 14 or 15 problems are there. In the 14, 15 problems, definitely one 2 mark, one 3 mark, one 5 mark will come. But easily we will get 10 mark. We have two exercises, but one exercise 20 question, no? Only one exercise. In one exercise, we have only 14, 15 problems are there. One 5 problems are 3 mark, 2 mark, 3 questions are 5 mark question. It's simple concept. First understand the concept. The question exercise 9.2, first question, this is given. DC is greater than A, GF is greater than DC, H is greater than here. And also, this is given now. This is a question actually. What is given in the question? A, D, E are can start simultaneously. This is given. The question is this is given. And also, this can greater than no, you need a x less than B, C, CD, DC and CD less than GF. This is also EF less than X. It is a one less than this. Am I right? First step. What is that? A, D, E can start simultaneously. No? That means what? Let's suppose this is a circle, small circle. Let it be 1. Let it be actually 1. Here 1. Here 2. Here 3. Here 4. This is the A, the D, the A, D, E can start simultaneously. This is the first concept. First, next by the next condition, you get answer. Now, next condition, what is the same diagram? Okay? A, B. Now, what is given? A less than B, C. B is what? 3 is less than B means the B is previously A, then B. Sorry, here. Okay? Previously only A is along the side, then B. Okay? Or otherwise, then A to 1 to 2 is A, next is 2 to 3. 2, 3, 4 now. Next is what? 2, 3, 4 are over. Next is what? 25. Here only B. Because A less than B, the previous B is what? A. This is previous B. Next is what? The previous C also A. That's why here C. Over. Because before B is A, before C also A. That's why there B, here C. The next one is F. Am I right? Then before it is what? D is there. Here, we give only D, F. The before F is D. Over. This one is over. Next is what? Next is the before D is what? The before D is D. That's why here before D. Over. This D. Next is what? Last condition. The before this is what? The before this is what? E. Over here only one by one. This is the answer. Okay, what is asking? The question is draw the network. This is the network. That draw this diagram is enough actually. For understanding purpose, I draw this one, next this one. Suppose you draw diagram this one, that is the answer. That's not even right. You do support to that you draw the circle also, okay. But in this way you can draw, that is easy for you. The A, D, E can start simultaneously. That's A, D, E. Start from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 3, 2 to 4. Then consider next step is N. Then before B is A, that's right. Next one 2 to 3, 5 is what? Already 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over. Next one 5, no? The before B is A. Next C. Before C is what? A, yes. Here, next. Here, D is no? The before C is what? D. The before C is D. Next. The before F is what? E. Here. Okay? The before F is D. Before F is D. The before X is what? E. Okay? The before G is D. That's why you want it lesser. The character lesser. Previously is number. The same way, the next question. Next question the same way. Now, one box is one data structure. Step one. Here, so one from one. Here, 2 or 2. What is the reason? In the box, what is the value? Actually, this box is given. What is the box is saying? 1 fiber. Here 2, 1. 3, 1. 4, 2, 3. Next, 5 is 3. Next, 6 is 4, 5. Next, 7, 5, 6. In this way, one box is given. Is the question clear? What is the question? Is the question? Here, you know that before 2, 1. Before 3, 1. The before 2, 4 is what? 2, 3. But here, one more, you know, that's right? 1, 2, 2, 2. This is first step. Now, next step, back will answer from 1, 2, 3. Am I right? Next part. Before 2 is what? 4 and 2. Before 4? Before 4 is what? Yeah, 4 before 4 is 6. Before 4 is 2, 3. Okay? Next day. Before 5 is what? Before 5. 3. Yeah, 5. Before 5. Next day. Before 6 is what? 4 and 5. Before 6 is 4 and 5. Okay? Before 7 is what? 5 and 6. That's all. They always put the R mark. That's important. Put the R mark. The R mark important. That would be put the R mark here. R mark important. Okay? There also put the R mark. Here also put the R mark. First one, the R mark is the same concept. The step is given to draw the diagram. That is 2 mark or 3 mark concept. Before. That's all. Before 2, 1, before 3, before 3, 1. Before 2, reverse, 2, 1, 3, 1. Before 4 is what? 4, 3. Before 4, 2, before 4, 3. Before 5 is 3, only 3. Okay? Before 6, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Before 7, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Only concept before. That's important. Now, third question of the same method. The concept network. The ABC can start simultaneously. So, suppose is what? Here 2, 3, 4. A, B, okay? Step 1 over. Now, step 2. The A, B, C, no? Next is what? Before F, A. Here. Before F, A. Okay? Next is what? Next one. The before D, B. Before D, B. Alright? Here also 1, 2 is like this. Next then before A is what? A. Part of A is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4. Before D is B. Right? One more concept. The first one is A less than F less than E, B less than D, comma C, E comma D less than G. This is the condition. A, B, C can solve simultaneously. That's why A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Next one, the before F is A. That's right. The A no. That's F. Okay. Next here should be here 3. Now this is F. Alright. Next one. Previously, from before E is what? A. That's right. A, B, C over. The D before D is what? Before D, B. Before D, B here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before D only B. D. Then before E is what? A. Before E is A. That's right. Join. This is clear. D. Then before it only A. Okay? Once again, then next concept is what? Next concept. Next condition. G is what? Before G only E and D. Apart from here, number 5 now. Only the before G only E and D. The E is there, D is there now. So, once again, I explain. Start a simultaneously A, B, C simultaneously starting. That's the first diagram. The second diagram, A, B, C are given. The before A, B, C means next one D, no? Concept D here. Before D only D. Am I right? About 3 to 4 D. Okay, before D is D. Or then E is what? The before E is A. That's why the 2 to 4 before E is A. Next F, you know? The before F actually what? Before F is A, okay? The before F is A, the 5. Last one is what? The before G is E and D. The G before D is there, E also is there, line is there. This is that 5. That's the concept. Only diagram. By using the scale and the pencil, draw the diagram neatly. By using the scale and the pencil, this is important. One more question I will say with that. Here so many letters are given. 4%. Here the box is given. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. This is the question actually. What is given? I1. A, B, B, C, D, E, H, I. Last one, H, G. Here are the same step. Step 1. Here A, B, C. 2, 3, 4. Alright? A, B, C. Because nothing is no, that's right. Before not nothing is there, that's right. A, B, C. Before nothing is there. Step 2. Now direct the answer, no problem. 1, the second, 3, 4. Already find out. Okay? Now, try something clearly. Now, what is that? Okay, A, B, no? The before D is A, okay? Before D, the before D only A. D, okay. After 4, 5. Next one. The before E is what? B. Where is E? Here only there. Okay? Next one. Then before F also. Before F also. Before F also D. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, you consider the before D is what? Before D. Before this is D, no? Over here, 7. Now consider the before D is what? F. Here. 7, 8. Here, 8. Here. Am I right? B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. E, F, H, then G. Where is G? Here. Am I right? The before G. The before G is C. Am I right? Before G is what? Here G. Before G is C. Over. Next concept. The H and I, no? H and I. The before 7. The before I, what is that? J is there. Alright? The before H and I, the H is there. Here J will come. Here 9 will come. Okay, that is that I. Before I is A. But before H and I, before J is H and I. Alright? The before K only F and G. F and G. Before K. This is K. The before K is only F and G. Right? They consider before. That's why the questions are given. Immediate question is what? Okay. The fourth question is here. What is your name? Activity is called activity. Here, refer the question. The procedure is something is given. That is what? Activity. Previous cycle. Consider previously. That is called procedure. Some procedure is given. That's the previous one. That's why you always consider previous. It is a computer network. So do yourself very simple concept. The before. The before D, A. Before D, B. This is a concept. Now next problem. Fifth question. Here what is asking, not only on the network asking, here calculate the earliest start time and the earliest finishing time, latest start time and latest finish time is asking. And also determine the critical path and the project completion time is asking. As usual, first draw the diagram. From the diagram, you will find the earliest start time, earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time, and also the critical path. That is from the diagram only you will find the answer. Very first, 0 to 1. 0 to 3. Here 0. Here 0 to 1. Here 3. Am I right? First one. 0 to 1, 3. Next is what? 1 to 2 is 8. 1 to 8. Am I right? Next, 1 to 3. What is the answer? 12. Am I right? Next, 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4. 2 to 4, 6. Then 2 to 5 here. 3. Then 3 to 4. 3. Am I right? Then 3 to 6 here. 8. Then 4 to 7. 4 to 7, 5. Am I right? Next, 5 to 7. Here 5 to 7, 3. 6 to 7, 8. In this way, complete the diagram. This is the network diagram. From the data, you will complete everything. Now, here, what is asking? The earliest start time, earliest finish time. Earliest, that's very important here. 0 to 1, only 3. Here, E equal to what? E earliest time is 0 to 3, no? That's the 3. First one. Next is what? Here 2. 1 to 2, 8. From 0 to 1, 3. 1 to 2, 8. E equal to what? 8 plus 3, 11. 11. Am I right? Next, here. In E equal to what? 3 plus 12, 15. Am I right? Now, next, here E equal to, what is the root actually? 3 plus 8 plus, here 6. What is the answer? 17. Suppose for this way mean 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus 18. Here, which is the maximum number? From here to here, here to here, here to here mean only 17 will come. But here maximum, no. You will write always a maximum number. From here to 4, we have 2 roots. 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 1 root. 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 1 root. Out of these 2 roots, 3 plus 8, 11 plus 6, 17 is there. Next is what? 3 plus 12, 15 plus 3, 18. You write only maximum number. That's very important. Next, if there are 2 roots, that's why you will consider maximum root. Here, next, E equal to what? Now, consider 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus 8 equal to what? 23. Am I right? 23. Next, again 7. 3 equal to what? 23 plus 8, 23 plus 8 is 31. Suppose in this would mean, this would be, no? 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, only 17. What I told you, you write always the maximum number. Okay, E equal to what? E equal to 11 plus 3, 20 only. Am I correct? In this way, you will find all the E. E means what? The earliest starting time. That's why you will find E always. From the diagram, you will find E. Here E, here E, here E, here E, E. You find out. It's over. Now consider L. L means what? Latest starting time. That's why L. Consider L. Here, you get only the maximum root, this is the maximum, from here to here. That's why you put the double line mark. That's very important. Double line mark. From 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, to 7. This is the maximum 31. Some other would be definitely less number will come. That's why you will consider always maximum number. That's why this is a route. This is a clinical pathway. Pathway also, this is a pathway. Now find L also. here starting time is always 0, no? E 0. L also 0. Again, now consider L. L is what? 31. L means you consider reverse process. From here to there, moving this side, no? L means reverse process. Moving from here to here. Next is what? L first find out. L is what? L equal to 31, no? 31 minus 3, 28. Am I right? Next is what? Next here 28, no? Next here 28 minus 5 is 3 is what? 25 actually. Here L is what? 25. But if you have one more root, you know, that's very important. One more root is what? Here. The 28 minus 3, only 25. One more root is what? One more root. 28 minus 3, 25. That is not maximum number. Here, consider this one. From here to here, okay. From here to here means 28 minus 3, 25 will come. We have one more root, you know. From here to here, L is 31. L is what? Minus 5, no? What's the answer? 25. Sorry, 31 minus 5, 26. From here to here, 26 minus 6 is what? 20. L is what? 20. From here to here means we get the answer 28 minus 3, only 25. But the reverse process means you write always minimum number. Here to here means you will consider always bigger number. But L means from here to here, no, reverse process. That's why you will consider out of 2 way, which is the least number you write. This is a very, very important concept. Mind it. Am I correct? You consider E means L is starting time. That means from left to right, you know, you will consider always bigger number. L means latest starting time. Am I correct? That's why from right to left, you know, that's why you will consider from here to here means 28 minus 3, 25. But here to here means 26 minus 6 is what? 20. Out of 25 and 20, 20 is the least number. That's why you write it only least number. L for least. That's about. Here over, here over, here over, here also over. Next here. Here. 23. E is 23. The reverse process what? L is what? 23 minus 8, 23. Both are same number. Am I correct? Again, 23 minus 8 equal to what? 50. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? Next here 26 minus 3, 23 will come here. 23 minus 8, 15. 26 minus 3, 23. Out of this one, this one, no, that's why consider 15. That's very important. Here 3 will come in. Before 6, 3 will come. Before 4 also 6, 3 will come. But you will consider both the root. Here from 23 minus 8 is 15. Here 26 minus 3, only consider L. About 23 will come. That's why out of 15 and 23, 15 is the least number. You write always least number. From here to here, 15 minus 12, 33 will come. L is 3. But you get to here, 20 minus 8, 12. Which is least number? 3 only least number. Am I correct? Here always 3 minus 3, 0. That's all. Am I correct? From the diagram, from the data, draw the diagram. From the diagram, you will find E and L. E represent L is starting time. L represent latest starting time. From the diagram, you will find the one more time. That is called, what is the answer? You will find ESC starting time, EFT means LS finishing time, LST. You will find all the answer from this data, write one by one. Afterwards, the critical path also asking. From this data, this is the question, this data. From the data, this is diagram, very, very important. From this diagram, you write the answer one by one. One more table. That's extra one. Am I right? Now the phrase is not there. Anyway, I want to drop this one. From this diagram, the first one is what? Put the column, the activity. Next, the duration. Next, LEST. EST. Next is what? EFT. EFT. EFT means EST plus TIJ is a formula. Refer the book. Am I right? Next is what? LST. LST means LST minus TIJ. Then LFT. This side. Refer the book. This column is there. From this one you are find out. In activity I will take 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, then 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7. Okay? Now duration already given 3. From the question 3, 8, 12, 6, 3. Then again 3, 8, 5, 3, 8. Then ESC. ESC means what? E. What is the answer? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. E is what? 3. The first is what? 0 to 1. 0 to 1 here. Here is time is what? E equal to 0. The 1 to 2. 1 to 2. The early time is 3. 1 to 3. Again 3. Am I right? E for early time. That is starting time. Then next is what? 2 to 4. 2 to 4 early time is what? 11. For the diagram only write the answer. 2 to 5. Here L is 11. Am I right? 11. Next 3 to 4. 3 to 4 you know? Here 15. 3 to 6 15. 4 to 7 18. 5 to 7 14. Here 14. Last 6 to 7 23. Am I right? In this way, from the diagram you write the answer. Next is what? EFT equal to EST plus TIJ. This EST. TIJ means this is duration. This is called TIJ given. Now adding both 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 15. 17. 14. 18. 23. 23. 17. Am I right? Am I correct or not? This is over. Now, LFT means LFT means L actually. Where is L actually? 0 to 1. What is L? 0. Here, listen here, 0 to 1, the latest starting time, latest. About 3 will come. L3, 0 to 1 is what? 3. Similarly, next one is what? 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means 20. Am I right? First one is earliest, before. Now latest, after. But 0 to 1 means here L is 3. Here. Next set. 1 to 2. 1 to 2, L is 20. 1 to 3. Here. L is 15. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. L is 26. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. 28. In this way, you will find 1 by 1. 2 to 5 over 3 to 4. 3 to 4, 26. 3 to 6, 23. 4 to 7, 4 to 7, 31. 5 to 7, 31. Am I right? 6 to 7, yes, 31. In this way you write. Am I right? Now, from this, you will subtract this one. 3 minus 3, 0. 20 minus 8, 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 26 minus 6, 20. 28 minus 3, 25. 26 minus 3, 23. 28 minus 8, 15. 23 minus 8. 31 minus 5, 26. 31 minus 3, 28. Again, 31 minus 8, 23. Am I right? You will subtract this answer. First, from the diagram, from the condition, draw the diagram. From the diagram, you will find E value and L value. From the diagram, you will come to the table. Now, what is asking? Critical path is asking. After the diagram, after the table, you will write the answer. What I told you, double line, no? Double line. This is the maximum. Therefore, the answer is, the critical path is, the critical path is 0 to 1, again 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 7. 0, 1, 3, 6, 7. Again, and the duration is, and the duration is 31. Okay? The total duration is 31. That is the answer. This only asking. This is part of our question. Some lengthy calculation, but first understand the concept. From the question, draw the network, complete the number in the way of E and L. E means L is starting time, L is latest starting time. In this way, complete the network, then from the diagram, complete the table, the right answer. This is the concept. That's all. Now, this is the 6th question. The same type of problem. The activity time is given. Draw the diagram. What I told you? The first one, 1 to 2. A 1 to 2. Am I right? 1 to 2. Here 1 to 2, then 1 to 3. That's why put the cross line. 1 to 2. Am I right? The 1 to 2 is 4. Then 1 to 3. Here. Here is what? 1. Next say 2 to 4. 1. Alright? Then 3 to 4. 1. Then 3 to 5. You got what? 3 to 5, 6. Then 4 to 9. 4 to 9. 4 to 9. 5. Then 5 to 6. 5 to 6. 4. Next 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 8. Next 6 to 8. 6 to 8, 1. The 7 to 8, 2. Then 8 to 10. 5. 9 to 10, 7. In this way, draw the diagram clearly. Now you will find E and L. E and L, that's very important. What I told you, the first one is always here E is 0. Am I right? Start with always 0. Here E equal to 4. Am I right? 0 plus 4. Here E equal to what? What only? Here E equal to what? plus 1, 5. Here 1 plus 1, 2. You write only maximum, no? Only 5. In this way, you will find the two roots. That's very important. Here 4 will come in. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 1 root. 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 1 root. Here 4 plus 1, 5. So 1 plus 1, 2. Out of these two numbers, you want to always bigger number. With L big, you will write the small number. That's very important. Next here, E equal to, here only one way, 1 plus 6, 7. No other way. Am I right? Next here 7 plus 8, that is 15. Next here 15 plus 2, 70. One more root, 7, am I right? 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 12. You want to write here 12. But out of this number, 17 is the maximum number. Am I right? Next 17 plus 5, 22. E equal to 22. One more root is what? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. But this root is what? 22. You write the maximum number. Here, next is what? E equal to 5 plus 5, 10. Am I right? Now here what is the answer? E equal to 7 plus 4, 11. Am I right? Now you write all the E value. E value over. Important condition. We have two roots mean out of two roots, which is the maximum number, that number should be right. That's very important. Am I right? From here to here, over. Now what I told you, start with the L. L what I told you, L is what? The maximum number 22 only. Last number is 22. Because 9 to 10, 10 is the last number. From here to there, reverse process. That means what? What I told you, you will consider two roots involved in it, you will consider only minimum number. That's important. Now E equal to, is N equal to 22 minus 5. That is what? 17. Here, 22 minus 7, 15. Am I right? Next day, 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Not necessary, you have over already. The L is always 0. Am I right? Another root. L is always 0. The starting time you know. Now, from here to here, 17 minus 2, that is 15. Next, 15 minus 8, 7. From here to here, L equal to what? 17 minus 1, 16. Now we get to here, what I told you? 16 minus 4, 12 is coming. But in 15 minus 8, 7 will come. Out of these two numbers, this is the minimum number, that's why L is 7. In this way, consider both the number. I wrote it as 7. But one more concept is what? 16 minus 4, 12. Out of 7 and 12, 7 is the minimum number. That's why I write the minimum least number. Am I right? Next also here, 7 minus 6 is what? 1. From here to here, what is the answer? Here, 10. L is 10, you know? 10 minus 1, 9. But out of 9 and 1, this is the least number. That's very important. In this way, you write the answer. Now all L's are find out. Am I right? This is the important concept. Now from this diagram, already find out as usual. You will find EST, LFT. In this way, you will not find it. This is a very important concept. Put the R over clearly. And also, here which is the longest root actually? Don't you know? Put the double line. This line. Am I right? This is a pathway. That's why for the longest route. Double line on a mark. Double line on a mark. Here all only single line. This is the answer. That's why put the double line mark. What is the reason? This is the longest route. Maximum number. Now from this, as usual, you will find the value. One by one. Now this need not right. Need not consider. Now put the table here. Here is small number 22. L also 22, no? The E is 17, L also 17. Now what I told you? The activity. Now duration. Duration. Next is what? The EST. EST. Next is what? EFT equal to EST minus TIJ. Next one is what? LST. Sorry. LFT. LFT. Here LST is equal to LFT minus TIJ. This is put the box. This is actually what? ALS starting time, ALS finish time. The latest starting time, latest finish time. Am I right? Now, what are the activity? First one, 1 to 2. Next, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4. This is a question actually. 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 9, 5 to 6, 5 to 7. Next, so many numbers are given? 68, 78, 8 to 10, 9 to 10. What is the given number? The duration is 4, 1, 1, 1, 6, 5, 4, 8, 5, 4, 8. Next one is 1, 2, 5, 7. Am I right? Then EST. EST means E actually 1 to 2. E is what? 4. Am I right? The first one is what? 1 to 2. ALS time no, that is 0. Next, then 1 to 3. This also 0. Am I right? 2 to 4. 2 to 4. The ALS E is what? 4. 3 to 4 E is 1. 3 to 5. Am I right? ALS is what? 1. 4 to 9. L is what? 5. Next, 4 to 9. 4 to 9 over no. 5 to 6. L is what? 7. Then 5 to 7. Also L is 7. 6 to 8. L is 11. 7 to 8. L is 15. 8 to 10. L is what? 17. 9 to 10, L is 10. L is 3 is number. Am I right? Once I check yourself, 0, 0, 4, 1, 1, 5, 7, 7, then 11, 15, 17, 16. Last one is 16. What is the reason? 9 to 10, you know? 9 to 10. 9 to 10. Ten only. Am I right? 10. Now, EFT we what I told you? EST minus DIJ. EST minus DIJ. What is the answer? Sorry, the plus this only minus, okay? Plus only no. 0 plus 4, 0 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 6, 7, 5 plus 5, 10, 7 plus 4, 11, 7 plus 8, 15, 11 plus 1, 12, 15 plus 2, 17, 15 plus 5, 22, 10 plus 7, 70. Am I right? Next one. The LFT means what I told you? L means electric. From LFT only you want supply. First one LFT. That's very important. The LFT is what? First one 1 to 2. The 1 to 2 previously ESC means 1 to 2 means the earliest number, previous number. Now L is latest number. No, 1 to 2 L is 9. Correct? 1 to 3 L is 1. In this way you find, that's very important. 2 to 4, L is what? 10. 3 to 4, L is what? 10. 3 to 5, L is 7. 4 to 9, 4 to L is what? 15. Am I right? Next day. Next one is what? 5 to 6, no? L is 16. 5 to 7, 15. Next day. Next number is what? 6 to 8, L is 17. Next day. 7 to 8, 17. 8 to 10, 22. 9 to 10, 22. Am I right? Now you want subtract 9 minus 4, 5. Am I right? Next say 1 minus 1, 0. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 7 minus 6, 1. 15 minus 5, 10. 16 minus 4, 12. 15 minus 8, 7. 17 minus 1, 16. 17 minus 2, 15. 22 minus 5, 17. 22 minus 7, 15. This is that. Am I right? Now, the critical path is what? What is the maximum? No? The critical path. The critical path is 1 to 3. 1, 3. 3 to 5. 5 to 7. 7 to 8. 10. This is the critical path. Am I right? The maximum is what? Therefore, it takes 20 minutes to complete the project. Am I right? It takes 22 units to complete the project. This is the answer. Am I right? This is the maximum or no? That's it for it. This is the idea. 6 problems are over. The 7, 8, 9, 10 also the same method. From the condition, complete the network. Afterwards, write E and L. From this network, you will find the table. Then write the answer. Anyway, this is the important 5 mark question. Some are 10th calculation, but easy concept.